And we've got some breaking news coming in on 5 Live. All students studying from class 1 to 9 in Telangana have been promoted without any examination. This is the notification that has just gone out. The government has said that the decision was announced in view of the hardship caused by the pandemic. So parents, children studying from class 1 to 9, you've been promoted without the need for any examination. That's the breaking news that we are getting at this time from Hyderabad. The government has just made that announcement. I want to go straight across to India Today's Ashish for more from Hyderabad. Ashish, big news for parents and students, class 1 to 9, all promoted in Telangana without exams.
Yes, Shiv, you are absolutely right. Like you are mentioning that how government of Telangana considered the lockdown condition, the prevailing pandemic situation, and that keeping that in mind, now Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who had earlier assured students and parents that government will consider all the relaxation. Based on that, now School Education Department has issued, in fact, order. Government of Telangana has, in fact, issued order passing or clearing all the students studying from class 1 to 9 to promoting them to next standard. So all those students studying between first standard to ninth standard, now they are promoted, they are deemed promoted, they are announced promoted. Government of Telangana earlier had conducted examination when the entire pandemic situation broke, and that led to cancellation of senior secondary examination and 10th board examination. So far government has not decided anything on that examination, but this particular news, this particular information that all those students lakhs in number, they are now promoted, is definitely a good news for at least student and parents.
Good news for students and parents. One less thing to worry about. Students from class 1 to 9 promoted without examinations in the state of Telangana. Let's see if other states also follow suit. The situation is the same.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.